The weekly AVCS update CD must only be inserted into the drive after having installed the latest required base CDs. Start by inserting the latest AVCS update CD into the appropriate drive. Please note, base CDs are reissued about every 6 to 8 weeks. The AVCS update disk will indicate which base disk week must have been installed. It is important that users do not attempt to load an update CD that is not consistent with the base CDs. Select Auto Load on the home screen. An attention message then appears to notify the process may take some time to complete. Click OK to continue. Another attention message will appear confirming the number of charts that can be updated. Click OK to continue. Please note, whenever charts are cancelled, they will automatically be removed from the system. When this happens, this will be communicated in the Error Warning Guidance window at the end of the installation. The AVCS media will be read and a progress bar will be displayed in the Install Chart Data window. Please note, this process can take some time to complete, even if the progress bar shows a completion rate of 100%. When the installation is complete, the Error Warning Guidance window confirming the installation will appear. Click Confirm to continue. To check the details of the data installation, click Show Detail in the Install Chart Data window. Click Finish to close.